So your Kenwood external display head unit is not powering up. Before you rip your stereo back out and check all your 12 volts and troubleshoot your fuses and all that fun, make sure that you have this plastic cover installed. All right, so I had to actually put the extender on and so-called slide my display forward in order to be able to put that in there. I'm going to figure out a way to get my display more flush and also have that cover installed. But you know, I already went through a couple hours of researching the internet and trying to find potential problems. I was convinced that my unit was DOA because I have 12 volts constant, I have accessory 12 volts, all my fuses are good, power to the Maestro unit, everything was good, but it turned out to be somebody on the Tundra forums gave me a great tip and said, hey, check for that cover. And as soon as I popped it in there, we get power. So I hope that helps you out and saves you, and I hope you already have not gone through the pain of troubleshooting everything the old-fashioned way, and all you got to do is put that plastic cover in. Good luck.